Hello everyone, hi, this is CA Rohit. Today I am sharing with all of you my CA Final Economic Law Case Study Index, which will help you to score free 25 marks in the exam. So let's see how it is possible. So if you see the past trend of the economic law paper, so ICAI is repeating the case studies in the last 3 to 4 attempts. Also in the other paper like other elective like the FSCM, so in the July 21 paper, almost 70 to 80 marks paper was from the case study digest. So now it becomes very important for us to understand and solve each and every case study that ICAI has released. But since ICAI has released so many case studies, like it released more than 120 plus case studies, so it is very difficult to solve all of them and recall them in the exam that which case study is repeated. So I have made this index. So this index will help you to identify which case study is repeated, and it will not take more than 5 minutes to identify which case study is repeated in your exam. So let me tell you how to use this index. So this index contains all the questions from the past year paper, MTP, case study digest and the student journals released by the ICAI. All these questions are segregated according to relevant law chapters and then sorted from A to Z, that is in the alphabetical order. So in the exam you have to carry this case study index plus the case study compilation, which covers all the case studies released by the ICAI. I have made my own compilation and I have shared it on my Telegram channel. You can download it from there. So once you carry this case study index plus the case study compilation, so in the exam hall, when you got the exam paper, just move to the question 1. In the question 1, skip the MCQ and move to the descriptive part. Once read the descriptive question and identify the act from which this question has been asked. Then come to this index, move to that relevant act or the chapter, that is the Competition Act, RERA Act, IBC, PAMLA, PEMA, BENAMI, from which that question has been asked. Once you move to that part, then this index has been sorted in the A to Z in the alphabetical order. So just you have to move through this index and find whether the question has been in this index or not. If you find that question is in this index and it is same to same, then you can find from where the case study has been repeated, the whole case study where it has been repeated. So I have given this short form. So what this short form means, so it says suggested answer November 19 case study 1 question 1.6. So in this way you can identify which case study has been repeated and from where it has been repeated. Once you identify that this case study is repeated, you can just do the copy paste from the relevant case study. So it is necessary that you carry all the case study that has been released by ICAI. I have shared my own compilation which you can also carry. So in this way you can identify which case study has been repeated. So you have to check each and every question that has been given in the question paper, and it will not take more than 5 minutes. You can practice it at your home also. So in my paper I have used this index and I was able to find that in the July 21 paper the case study number 3 has been repeated. And I started with the case study number 3 and I completed it in only 40 minutes and I scored full marks in that. So in this way it will help you to identify from where the case study has been repeated, and you can score the full marks in that repeated case study. So you can find all this PDF on my Telegram channel, and I will also share what are the other materials you must carry for the economic law paper. And all the best for your exam, and thanks for watching.